Creating a comfortable workspace can make a remarkable difference in your daily routine. The best adjustable mobile laptop stand overbed table helps bring convenience, flexibility, and comfort wherever you work, study, or relax. Designed for modern lifestyles, it supports better productivity while allowing you to enjoy your favorite activities with ease, making every moment feel more organized, efficient, and enjoyable. Number 1. Laptop desk stand for bed. Portable desk. Overbed bedside table. Rolling desk. Adjustable height angle. You can easily adjust the height of the bed table. The height of mobile desk is 23 inches to 33 inches. The laptop table for couch is designed with a rotating rolling desktop, supporting 0 degrees 90 degrees flip, which is suitable for reading, working, painting, etc. Premium materials. Laptop stand for couch. The bracket panel of overbed table is made of high quality wood, natural grain and strong durability. The support leg and base are made of metal steel, which is not easy to rust, durable and has strong load bearing capacity. Quiet smooth moving. The portable desk for laptop with 4 rolling wheels. You can slide rolling laptop desk easily to anywhere you need. The H-shaped base makes the couch desk more stable and solid. Versatile multifunctional. Use. The laptop stand for couch comes with a bed stopper to avoid laptop sliding down. As overbed table, portable laptop desk, rolling laptop desk, C-table with wheels. Easy to assemble. All required tools are included with assembly instructions. It is easy to assemble this portable laptop desk. Compared to traditional adjustable table, this has 2 tabletops that can be adjusted separately for height and angle, allowing you to work in comfort. Number 2. Limitless TotalDesk portable workstation. Adjustable workstation. Customize the height and angle of the TotalDesk for optimal comfort while you work, draw, write, or eat. Features a PVC leather finish and a non-slip desktop stopper to keep belongings from falling off. Book and device display. Easily display a second screen, document, or book in the built-in accessory slot. Included book stand, or the detachable phone mount. Connect a device to a charger through the convenient cable openings and stay powered while you work. Storage drawer and cup holder. Keep desk accessories within reach by organizing pens, pencils, highlighters, flash drives, and headphones in the storage drawer. The drawer can also double as a cup holder. Low-profile collapsible design. This compact workstation seamlessly folds up so it can tuck away under the couch, beside the bed, against the wall, or in a closet. Number 3. Sage non-slip leather lap desk. Laptop bed tray table. Laptop stand. PVC leather desktop. Eco-friendly and high-density PVC leather laptop bed tray table surface. The laptop bed desk table is anti-friction and also prevents items from sliding off. Ideal gifts. Ideal college dorm room essentials for girls, boys. Home essentials. Home office accessories for study, writing, working, reading. Adjustable laptop desk for bed. The product function of adjustable angles and heights allow you to customize the tray to a good position, then relieve the fatigue of your eyes, back and neck. 2 auto lock buttons on each side can make the quick change in height easily. The legs can be set to 5 different heights from 9.4 inches to 12.6 inches. There are 2 clamps under the board, which can be used to adjust the board to 4 different angles, from 0 degrees 36 degrees. Foldable portable desk. Light and sturdy. You can fold a laptop bed tray desk to save space. It's easy to carry and place in anywhere. Size, 20.5 times 11.8. Work, study, play, college essentials. Various usage, like studying, recovering from injury, drawing. Use as a lower table for sitting on the floor and good for kids. Unique design. Sage eBed laptop trays panel has a hidden mouse stopper and a laptop clip which avoid the tablet and mouse drop down. Ergonomic design makes the height and angle adjustable, so you can use the portable laptop desk while standing and sitting. It can help reduce the pain of neck and back. Number 4. Overbed small standing desk table. Smart organization with integrated cup holder and utility hook. Protect your electronics from accidental spills with the extra large side clip drink holder. Designed to keep coffee, soda, or mugs securely away from your laptop, the added heavy-duty iron hook provides a convenient spot to organize your headset or backpack, keeping your workspace clutter-free and essentials within arm's reach. Extra wide height range and independent tilting panels for ergonomic bliss. Effortlessly customize your posture with an industry-leading height range of 27.5 inches to 45.3 inches, making it perfect for both deep sitting and full standing. The dual panel design allows you to tilt the laptop surface to your ideal typing angle while keeping the side panel flat for your mouse or coffee, ensuring a seamlessly comfortable and productive workflow. Boost productivity with ergonomic sit-to-stand versatility. Transitioning between sitting and standing throughout the day is key to relieving chronic back and neck pain while boosting circulation. This adjustable workstation encourages a dynamic working posture that helps combat sedentary fatigue, ensuring you stay focused, energetic, and pain-free during even the longest office sessions. Total mobility with Whisper Quiet locking casters. Experience the freedom to move your workstation wherever inspiration strikes. Featuring 360 degrees smooth gliding wheels, this mobile desk transitions seamlessly from hardwood floors to thick carpets. Each caster is equipped with a heavy-duty locking lever, ensuring the desk remains rock-solid and wobble-free once you've found your perfect spot. Number 5. TV Tray Table. 8-level adjustable height couch side table. 8-level adjustable height. The sofa side table offers 8 height settings. Height of adjustable TV dinner tray table can be adjusted to your liking from 22 to 31.5. Offering maximum flexibility for a variety of activities like reading, working, or enjoying a meal. 90 degrees comfortable tilt angle settings customize your comfort. The portable laptop desktop can be adjusted to 90 degrees different tilt positions, allowing you to easily find a comfortable angle for reading, typing, sketching, or browsing on your tablet. Non-slip magnetic strip and card slot design. This tray table features a removable magnetic strip around the edge for holding your phone or iPad, allowing you to easily stand upright and hands-free. Even if the table is tilted, it keeps your laptop or book securely in place, ideal for preventing items from slipping. Multifunctional small side table. This foldable C-shaped side table, measuring 11.8 inches by 16.4 inches, is perfect for small spaces. The rustic collapsible bedside table can be used as a tall end table, coffee end table, under couch table, accent table, drink table, chair table, sofa arm table, TV tray table, sofa laptop desk or bedside table, and meets your needs for daily use. This small side table for small spaces is certainly the excellent choice for you. Easy assembly and storage. This folding tray table assembles in just 3 minutes. After use, you can fold the panel 90 degrees and store it next to the sofa or in a small space, saving space in your home.